Okay, and after that, del cube y1, because the first term is this red color 2.20.412. Second term is, third term is this, then the fourth term. When you go for the fourth term, you get del cube y1, del cube y minus 1. So del square, you see this, when you go for the difference table, you see del square y minus 1 is minus blue box. Del square y minus 1. So del cube y minus 1 will be above that. Somewhere in this position. Somewhere in this position. So that is, no value is there. So you can say del cube y0 is 0. Similarly, go for the del cube y2, y minus 2. So again, that is above. Del cube y minus 2 is in this, del cube y minus 2 is here, roughly. So again, that value is 0 because there is no values there. So ultimately, this part is 0. Whatever may be the value of p into p square minus 1 by 3 factorial, whatever may be the value of that, ultimately this is 0. Again, item number 5. You see del 4 y minus 2. Again, the del 4 y minus 2 is 0 because you already know del cube y minus 2 is here. So del 4 y minus 2 is somewhere here, above this case. In this position, you may say, no terms are there. So naturally, del 4 y minus 2 is 0, it's 0 also. No terms are there. So again, by default, whatever may be the values of p square into p square minus 1 by 4 factorial, total value is equal to 0. So ultimately, although the Stirling formula is, for this particular example, Stirling formula has 5 terms, but actually after 3 terms, all terms are terminated at 0. So using calculation, if you use the calculator, you can get the result as something like, just answer to likhe dilam, just check kore niyo ekbar. 2198. আশা করি বোঝা গেল জায়গাটা, রেকর্ডিংটা ভালো করে দেখো পরে ভিডিওটা, যদি বুঝতে কেন কি বৃত্তান্ত বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয়। ওকে, নাও উই অ্যাপ্লাই দ্য বেসেল ফর্মুলা अगेन, অ্যানাদার এক্সাম্পল ফর বেসেল। আজকে হয়ে যাবে, টাইম আর যা আছে, আশা করি বেসেলটা শেষ করে দিতে পারবো। Example 2. Find (46), just for to make it an interesting aspect or to check the actual result. Find this from the following table. Of x versus x to the power 1/3. Okay, the first value is 41 and corresponding 3.4482. Then is 42 and you get 3 point as it is given. Okay, তুই বলতে পারো যে আপনি, আমি তো ক্যালকুলেটর দিয়ে x to the power 1/3 এমনি বার করতে পারবো, আপনার বেকার তো খাটার কি দরকার। এটা উদ্দেশ্য একটাই, জাস্ট মেক ইট ইন্টারেস্টিং কেসেস আর কি। Five 3.7563. Okay, so again the rule is same. we'll apply the Bessel. So 46.624. So naturally x0 will be the nearest point, that is x0 will be say 45 because it is nearest to the given point, and x is equal to 6.24. H is equal to, as is given, h is equal to 4 because 41, 45 difference char, 45, 49 difference char, and so on. So what is P? P is calculated x minus x0 by h, and that is we see 0.31. Although we can use Starlings because the point is less than 5, P value is less than 5, but in this particular example we can use Bessel for this case. Okay. পরীক্ষা বলে দেবে Bessel বা Starling. So the Bessel Starling না বলে দিলে তুমি কেন করবে? You can use the Gauss forward or backward, anything else. It is easier with respect to them. The difference table is given. Sorry. X, Y, del Y, del square Y, del cube Y. Again, there are 4 values are given. So we go up to maximum del cube. The values are 41, 45, 49, 49 and 53. Okay. And the given values are 3.4482, 3.5569, 3.6593, 3.7563. Again, you see this is required because this is the y0 value, right? This is y0. So 0. Sorry. Zero point 1087, 0.1024, 0.0970, minus 0.0063, minus 0.0054, and minus 0.00091. Okay. So they are the values. Just simple calculation. The Bessel formula, I repeat again, the Bessel formula is Bessel formula Px equal to y0 plus y1 by y2 plus p minus half into del y0 plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into del square y minus 1 plus del square y0 by 2 plus p into half p minus 1 into p minus 1 by 3 factorial into del cube y minus 1. And how many terms are there? There are 4 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 terms will be there. Sorry. That's enough, I think so. So 4 terms will be. Let us start to plotting. This is y0. Y0 is given. So what is and what is y1? So naturally this is y1. Right. Now just for plotting we can write this value is, you can say this value is del y0. This value is del square y minus 1, and this is, you can say, del square y0, and this value is given as del cube y minus 1. Okay. So use this formula, and also we know that P equal to here, P equal to 0.31. So just if we put all these values, we have like 3 point একই ব্যাপার, এই ভ্যালুস গুলো লিখে লাভ নেই, সময়টা শেষ হয়ে এসেছে, তাই জাস্ট আমি মুখে মুখে বলে দিলাম। দিস y0 is given like this 3.55. For example, you can write 3.5569 plus 3.6593 divided by 2 plus p মানে 0.31 minus 0.5, half means 0.5. Del y0 means into 0.1024 divide, and not divide like this, you have to write simple, then plus and so on. Four terms will be there, you can write it plus and so on. Quite simple calculation, you have to write it calculator দিয়ে, and whatever you get, ultimately you write, you find this answer. That means that is 46.24 to the power 1/3 is equal to 3.5893. So this is the Bessel and Stirling. The basic difference between them is, in generally, Bessel is used when Stirling is used when p value is between them. Another difference also there, even on odd case. I don't explain details about that. And থিওরিটা এটা থাকবে, থিওরি বিষয় কিছু থাকবে না, ফর্মুলা বেস করে অঙ্কটা পড়বে, ইউ হ্যাভ টু মেমোরাইজ দ্য ফর্মুলা, আদারওয়াইজ সলিউশন ইজ নট পসিবল। ওকে, রাখলাম।